Today we're going to see how much energy is stored in a spring when compressed. To do that, we're going to apply a force with a force probe. We'll be able to measure that force from the computer when we compress a spring 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 4 centimeters. Please notice that the front edge of the cart is currently at the 100 centimeter mark when it's just barely touching the spring. We're going to use these additional measurement marks at 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and 4 centimeters to control how far we have stretched or compressed the spring in this case, and then we'll measure the force from the computer. So we opened up a logger profile over here and we have force there. We'll take measurements up to the 1/100th of a Newton. And now we're going to use the force probe to push the cart until the front edge goes to the 101 centimeters. So that's a 1 centimeter compression, and it looks like the force is about 0.42 newtons. We compress now 2 centimeters, and the corresponding force is 0.77 newtons. We now compress 3 centimeters, and the corresponding force is 1.05 newtons. And for our last compression, bring the cart up to the 4 centimeter mark, and the reading is 1.33 newtons. We can now use those forces and stretches to make a force versus stretch graph. We can use that to find the spring constant, use the area under the graph to find the amount of elastic energy stored in the spring when we compressed it 1, 2, 3, and 4 centimeters. Please remember when you record your stretches, put them in meters, like 1 centimeter is 0.01 meters and so forth.